Hey, what is up? This is Tyler Pratt. So if you've been trying affiliate marketing and it's not working for you, or maybe you've been trying it for a few years and just absolutely you're struggling with it, well, this video, I'm going to talk to you. I'm going to give you some truths. I'm going to give you some advice on how to really get started, and maybe some truths about maybe why you're failing at affiliate marketing. All right, so you come to this video and you want to become the total boss of your life. You want to be able to take control of the things that you want. You want to be able to have the fun things and do the fun things in life, right? And not have somebody else tell you what to do. You can do that with affiliate marketing, but there are a few things that you really need to understand, really need to get through to where you can get to that point of having that success. You know, I started affiliate marketing in 1997, and I've been full-time online for the last 20 some odd years with affiliate marketing. But I've been through ups and downs and highs and lows, crashes in 2003, crashes in 2008. Okay, so there's times where things that I was doing as far as investing and things like that kind of crashed on me. But I've always been able to fall back onto affiliate marketing and keep that going. Now, the truth is about affiliate marketing is it works for everybody. It works for anybody that wants to get onto the internet and wants to go out there and promote other people's products. Okay, so you don't have to create your own products. If you want to create your own products, that's great. But affiliate marketing is about taking a product that somebody else created and you promote it. And there's a lot of products out there that people have created that you can go get your affiliate link and you can start promoting that and you can start making money from day one. But I do get a lot of questions from people. They want to know, when is it going to be time for me to start making money? When will I be able to make money online? How fast can I make money online? And the real question is this: is 99% of the people are going to fail. Okay, so are you going to be part of that 99% that's going to fail? 1% of the people are really going to step up and make it happen. Now, the good news about affiliate marketing is it does work and it works for everybody. But the bad news is nobody really wants to go through the process of learning how affiliate marketing works. There's not going to be a step-by-step plan where if you just do step one and then if you follow that by step two and then step three, and then all of a sudden it just magically money starts popping into your ATM machine. It just doesn't work like that. Why people fail at this is because they get into affiliate marketing because maybe they've watched a video and they've watched somebody get into their Ferrari and drive away, and then they say, that's what I want to do. But the thing is they don't realize the time and effort those people put in to get to that point. They don't understand the sacrifices and the late up nights and trying this and trying that. And that's why people aren't going to have success. A lot of times with affiliate marketing is we've all been schooled throughout our life. We go through kindergarten, junior high, high school, maybe some college. And through that schooling, we've been conditioned to not fail, right? Imagine that. You go to class and you get an F or a D. You're a failure. But in the affiliate marketing online world, F's and D's are acceptable. You can get F's and D's because you have to try things. You have to try things. And if they don't work, you don't get a bad grade for it. If they don't work, you just realized that it doesn't work. In fact, you should be getting an A for all the failures that you go out there and you try. You should be getting A pluses for all the things that you took action on that didn't work, because those A pluses are going to start to turn into real cash in your bank account. Okay, so the schooling that we've been taught all of our lives is you can't fail, and you have to get good grades, and you have to be this smart individual. But with affiliate marketing, you don't get grades. There's no grades. There's no teacher that's going to tell you what to do. You have to go out there and you have to try things over and over and over again. You have to try new things. You have to try this. You have to try that. If somebody tells you on a video that you have to try this, you have to try that, well, then you go out there and you try it, and if it works, great. If it doesn't work, fine. You move on to something else. But it's the process of moving from zero to where you want to be that's going to take time. And it may take you a year of your life to figure this all out. But is it worth it? Absolutely, because after the year, you could quit your job. You could do whatever you want. You don't have to worry about going to some job anymore. You could support your family. You could support your friends if you want to. Take them out and go have fun. So it's worth it to spend that time. It's worth it to go through that. But it's going to take sacrifice. It's going to take determination. It's going to take you if you reach out to somebody, right, that's teaching you and they don't get back to you. Do you get frustrated and quit and move on? No. You fuel that, and you feel that for yourself, and you keep moving forward. If you reach out to somebody on Facebook and they don't get back to you, are you going to quit? No, you're going to keep moving forward. If you go out there and you learn something on YouTube and you try it and it absolutely bombs on you, are you going to quit? No, you're not. You're going to keep moving forward and you're going to try something new. Maybe you learn something new. But your end goal is to take a product, put it in front of the right people, and then start making money with it. That's all affiliate marketing is. You find a hungry audience, an audience that has challenges like a fitness or health and fitness. They want to lose weight. They want to get fit. So all you have to do is find an offer and put that in front of those people. But that's the challenge with affiliate marketing, is getting, number one, finding that hungry audience, and number two, finding that offer that matches with that hungry audience. Now, as soon as you put those two together and then you start just molding that together, that's when your affiliate marketing, your success is going to skyrocket. Okay? Now, I want you to have success. I want you to have the taste of being able to have that total boss lifestyle. But you need to sacrifice yourself. You need to get out there and start building, a distribution channel. You need to get out there and start trying new things and start building up an email list. You need to go out there and start building a YouTube channel like this, or building up a huge following on Facebook, or start building your list, your email list. Those are the things that you have to do in order to get to where you want to be. There's no such thing as just buying an ad on Facebook and then send it to a sales page and then you start making money. If that was the case, so many people would be doing it and you'd probably be bumped out because there'd be so many more people with more money that would bump you out. So it's not just as easy doing that. There's this crazy road to get to where you want to be. But you'll get there, and eventually you get to the point where you'll look back and go, look at all those failures. But all those failures led to where you're going to be. And if you're just getting started today, it's going to be, a challenge for you to move ahead, but you will eventually succeed. It's never too late, right? You're never too young. If you're 10, you can get started. Okay? My kids right now, they're in their teens. I tell them every day, be an entrepreneur. Go out there and start creating value for other people. It's never too late. If you're 80, right? My father's in his 80s. He's still an entrepreneur, still working the business, okay? It's never too late. So don't sit there and think, well, I'm 40, is it too late? Or my 50, it's too late. The only way it's too late is if you don't get started. And if you get started right now and you start doing the things that you need to do in order to get to where you want to be, you will start to have success, all right? So those are the truths about affiliate marketing. 2018 is going to be a big year. Start now so that when 2018 kicks off, you will already have a jump start on your success. If you like this video, click on the like button. Also, share it with your friends. Comment below. Let me know how I can help your business. This is Tyler Pratt. Hope you enjoyed that, and we will see you on the next one.